वेलकम बैक स्टूडेंट। प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने एनसीईआरटी के हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस से क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 तक सॉल्यूशन सबमिट किया। आज के इस वीडियो में हम आपको नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यानी क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 का सॉल्यूशन देंगे। नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 9। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 is the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. It means on ground there is a building, let AB and a tower TR. The question is saying that the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower, यानी टावर के फुट से बिल्डिंग के टॉप का इलेवेशन एंगल इट इज 30 डिग्री एंड the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building, बिल्डिंग के फुट से टावर के टॉप का इलेवेशन एंगल इट इज 60 डिग्री एंड फ्रॉम द इफ द टावर इज 50 मीटर हाई, टावर का हाइट दिया है 50 मीटर एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग, यानी बिल्डिंग का हाइट ए बी हैव टू फाइंड। So, let AB equal to P and BR equal to base BR equal to X. So, at first see in triangle BRT, here theta equal to 60 degree. So, taking tan theta, it is perpendicular by base. Here tan theta equal to 60, perpendicular TR and the base BR. Tan 60 equal to √3 by 1. TR is 50 and BR is X. So X √3 equal to 51 50. Or x equal to 50 by √3. Now in triangle ABR, here theta equal to 30 degree. So tan theta, it is perpendicular by base. So tan theta equal to 30 degree, perpendicular AB and the base same BR. So tan 30 equal to 1 by √3 equal to AB. Have to find, let it P and the base BR equal to X. Cross multiply P √3 equal to X1 X. Here P √3 equal to X. X का वैल्यू है 50 by √3. सो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते दोनों साइड में हम √3 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और ऐसे लिख दें P इक्वल टू 50 बाई √3 एंड √3 इन राइट 1 बाई √3. सो इट इज 50 √3 इंटू √3 इक्वल टू 3. सो इट विल बी P इक्वल टू 16 इंटू 2 बाई 3 मीटर. It means height of the building is 60 √3 meter. Now see the next question, question number 10. See question number 10. Question number 10 is two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on the side of the road. Let a road AB and the two poles are of equal sides. Let it AR and BS. यानी RA and SP are the two poles are of equal height, and the road AB is totally 80 meter long. Here, from a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are respectively 60 degree and 30 degree. And later on a point M, the angle of elevation of the two poles are respectively 60 degree and 30 degree. Here we have to find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. It means AR and SB, then AM and M we have to find. So at first let AR equal to BS equal to P and AM equal to X. AM equal to X, already AB is given 80, so MB is 80 minus X. So at first in triangle AMR, here theta equal to 60 degree, so using tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. Here tan theta equal to 60 degree, perpendicular P and the base is X. Tan 60 equal to root 3 equal to P by X. So cross multiply, we can write here P equal to X root 3. Now in triangle MBS, here theta equal to 30 degree. So using tan theta perpendicular by base, here tan theta equal to 30 perpendicular BS and the base it is 80 minus X. So here tan 30 का वैल्यू हो गया 1 by root 3 equal to BS by 80 minus X. BS is just equal to P and it is 80 minus X. Cross multiply P root 3 equal to 80 minus X. Now put the value of P. तो P के प्लेस पे हम जो है X root 3 into root 3 equal to 80 minus X. Or we can write 3x minus x को लेफ्ट में ले ले equal to 80. So it is 4x equal to 80. So x equal to 80 by 4, it is 20. It means AM equal to 20 meter and MB equal to 80 minus 20, it is 60 meter. And now P equal to x root 3. So x equal to already 20 root 3 meter. It means height of the equal poles is 20 root 3 meter. Or you can write it also 20 into 1.732 it is 0 2 2 jar 4 2 3 jar 6 2 7 jar 14 4 in and 1 2 1 jar 2 1 3 3 number पे डेसिमल it means 34.64 मीटर इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट वीडियो नेक्स्ट में जो है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सबमिट किया जाएगा। ओके थैंक्स।